hanggang nadaan ba? Ha?
Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I'm nowhere to sleep. Is there somewhere you can tell me?
Luyas kong ilong din napita.
He walks on,
Nahangak ang ilong.
doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for